Hello, my dear students. Once again, welcome back to your video lesson. I am Shweta Gupta, your maths teacher, and today I am going to teach you exercise 4A of the lesson number 4 of your mathematics book, and the topic of the chapter is operation with large numbers. And in this exercise, we will be doing the addition and subtraction of large numbers. So, let's get started. So, first of all, let's come to addition of the large numbers. Children, we do addition of large numbers in the same way as we do the addition of the small numbers. And what are the steps that we follow? Well, we do addition of large number in the following steps. First step, we arrange the given numbers in columns, ones under ones, tens under tens, hundred under hundreds, and so on. Step 2, we add the digits in each column, taking the carryover, if any, to the next column, the left side, and adding it along with the digit in that column. We continue this process till we add the digits in all the columns. So this way we do the addition of the large numbers. In the addition of large number, there is one point to remember. Let us see what is that. Suppose we have two numbers. The first one is 4231 and the second one is 2125. So when we add these two numbers, we get 6356, which is called the sum of these two numbers. Now children, if any one number is given and the sum is given, then how do we find the other number? Let us see. So suppose if the first number 4231 is given, so how we will get the second number? We will get the second number by subtracting the first number from the sum of the two numbers, that is 6356. So 6356 minus 4231 is equal to 2125. In the same way, when we subtract the second number from the sum of the two numbers, we get the first number. So we come to the conclusion that sum minus one number is equal to the other number. Now children, let's come to the subtraction of the large numbers. We do subtraction of large numbers in the same way as we do the subtraction of the small numbers. For example, here 9786 is one number which we call minuend, and from this number, which is the larger number, we are subtracting one smaller number 2354, which is called the subtrahend. Okay, so when we are subtracting a smaller number from the larger number is known to be the minuend and the smaller number is known to be the subtrahend, and the result that we get 7432. So this is the result that we get, and this result is called the difference. Okay, so the larger number from which we are subtracting the smaller number is called the minuend, and the smaller number is called the subtrahend, and the result that we get from this subtraction is called the difference. Now children, if we need to find out the difference, we subtract the subtrahend from the minuend. And suppose if we want to find out the subtrahend when minuend and the difference is given, then what do? We subtract the difference from the minuend and we get the subtrahend. And in the third one, if subtrahend and difference both are given and we have to find out the minuend, then we add the difference and subtrahend and we get the minuend. So now children, let's come to exercise 4A and let's do some of the addition and subtraction of the large numbers. So let's do the first question. It is addition and we will do the A part of the first question. So we have to add these three large numbers. So we will begin the addition from the ones place. Okay, so let's start the addition from the ones place. At ones place we have the digits 5, 3 and 0. When we add 3 of them, what do we get? We get 8. Okay, now let's come to the tens place. At tens place we have the digit 4, 5 and 5. So let's add 4, 5 and 5 and we get 14. So what we will do, we will put 4 of 14 at tens place and carry 1 to the 100 place, right? And now we will add this one along with the digit at 100 place, that is 1 plus 7 plus 4 plus 3, and that is equal to 15. And again we will write 5 of 15 at 100 place and 1 will get carried to the 1000 place. And now we will add this 1 along with the digit at the 1000 place, that is 1 plus 0 plus 6 plus 7, which is equal to 14. And now we will write 4 of 14 at 1000 place and 1 will get carried to the 10,000 place. And now again we will add this 1 along with the digit at the 10,000 place, that is 1 plus 8 plus 0 plus 1 is equal to 10. So we will write 0 of 10 at the 10,000 place and carry 1 to the lakh place. So now at lakh place we will add this 1 along with the digit 3 plus 7 plus 2, and what do we get? We get number 13. And so we will write 3 of 13 at the lakh place and 1 will get carried to the 10 lakh place. Clear? So now we will add this one along with the digit at 10 lakh place, which is 6 plus 5 plus 9 plus 1, and which is equal to 21. So we will write 1 of 21 at 10 lakh place and 2 will get carried to the crore place. And now this 2, we will add this 2 along with the digit at crore place, that is 2 plus 4 plus 2, and which is equal to 8. And so this is our answer. This is the sum of the addition of these three large numbers. I hope it is clear to all of you. Now children, let's come to the subtraction of the large numbers. So here we will do question number 3, subtract and check the answer. So let's do the A part of question number 3. So here we will subtract uh, 5,72,498 from 63 lakh 54,817, right? So now let's see how we are going to do. We will start the subtraction from ones place. Clear? So at ones place we have 7, but we cannot subtract 8 from 7. So we have to borrow 110 from 10th place, right? So the 7 will become 17 and now we will subtract 8 from 17 and we get 9. Now at 10 place what is left? Because we have borrowed 110, so 0 is left at 10 place. So now we cannot subtract 9 from 0. So again we have to borrow 100 from the 100 place and now our 0 will become 10 and now we will subtract 9 from 10. What is the answer? It is 1. And now children, what is left at 100 place? 7 is left at 100 place. So when we will subtract 4 from 7, what do we get? We get 3. Now at 1000 place we can very easily subtract 2 from 4, so we get answer 2. Now at 10,000 place again we cannot subtract 7 from 5, so we have to borrow 1 lakh from lakh place. So now our 5 will become 15 and now we will subtract 7 from 15 and what do we get? We get 8. And now what is left at 10 lakh place? Well, at 10 lakh place 2 is left and so we cannot subtract 5 from 2. So what we will do? Again we will borrow 1 crore from crore place and it will become 12. And now we can subtract 5 from 12 and what answer do we get? We get 7. And now children, what is left at crore place? At crore place 5 is left, so our answer is 5. So our final answer is 5782319, or we can say 57,82,319. Now children, we have to check the answer. How do we check the answer? Very easy. We will add the difference and the subtrahend, and if the difference and subtrahend, if the sum of difference and subtrahend comes equal to the minuend, then our subtraction is correct. And in this case, when we add the difference and the subtrahend, we see that it is coming equal to the minuend, so our subtraction is correct, and in this way we check the answer. Now children, let's come to question number 5. Here you have to fill in the missing digits in the given circle. So children, here we have to do the addition and we have to fill in the missing digits also. So we will start from the ones place, right? So children, at ones place, what do we have? If we add 2 and 3, we get 5, and then we will subtract this 5 from the sum, which is 8. So 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. So the missing digit at ones place is 3. Now let's come to the tens place. At tens place children, you know that 6 plus 1 is equal to 7, but in the sum is equal to 2, and we know that 7 is greater than 2, therefore sum must be 12. Okay, so 12 minus 7 is equal to 5, so the next missing digit is 5. Now children, at 100 place, we have 5 plus 3 is equal to 8, and children, as 8 is also bigger than 0, so what does it show? That the sum is equal to 10, right? And so children, here, and we have carried 1 from the tens, place also. So 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 1 is equal to 9, and 10 minus 9 is equal to 1. So the missing digit is 1. Now at 1000 place children, 5 plus 6 plus 4 is equal to 15. So we will write 5 in the missing place at the 1000 place, and carry 1 to the 10,000 place. Now at 10,000 place children, 1 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 is equal to 13. So we write 3 at 10,000 place and carry 1 to the lakh place. Now at lakh place, we will subtract 1 plus 1, that is 2. So we will subtract 2 from 4, which is the sum, and we get the missing digit as 2. So this way we will do this sum and we will write all the missing digits. I hope you have understood it very well. Now children, let's do question number 6, A part. Again in this question, this is a question of subtraction of large number, and here also we have to fill in the missing digits. So we will start from the ones place. So children, at ones place, children, you can see the difference is given and the minuend is given, and we have to find out the subtrahend, right? So, but the minuend is less than the difference. So in order to make it larger than the difference, what we have to do? We have to borrow 1 from the 10 place, and then what is left at 10 place? 8 is left at 10 place, and now at 1's place we have 13, and 13 minus 6 is equal to 7. So the first missing digit is 7. Now at 10's place, we know that we have already borrowed 1 10, so what is left? 8 is left. So 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. Now at 100 place children, what we have to do? See, the difference is 4 and the subtrahend is 6. So what is the minuend? 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. So what we will write? We will write 0, right? At the 100 place. And now let's come to the 1000 place. At 1000 place children, 5 minus 1 is equal to 4, because we have borrowed 1000 to the 100 place. Okay, so now what we will do? At 1000 place, 4 is left, so 4 minus 4 is equal to 0, right? So our fourth missing digit is 0. Now children, let's come to the 10,000 place. So at 10,000 place, children, see, the minuend is 6 and the difference is 2. So obviously the subtrahend will be equal to 6 minus 2, which is 4. So the next missing digit is 4. Now at the lakh place, which is very easy, 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So this way we have filled all the missing digits. This way, children, we have come to the end of our video lesson. I hope you have very well understood the addition and subtraction of the large numbers. So, children, thank you, my dear students. Keep watching and keep learning.